Umvikeli womphakathi osamisiwe uAdvocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane uthi uzamile ukutshela usihlalo wesigcawu ngokungabikho emthethweni ngokuqhubeka kwesigcawu. Uthi umthethisile waphinde wamvala ukuze angakwazi ukukhuluma manje akasasithembi lesigcawu.
I tried to warn and sensitize him about the illegality of the process, but then he was so he shouted at me. West Party even muted. He said they must just mute me. Whilst I was still explaining myself that even though I'm not a member of the committee, what they are terming it to be a committee meeting is not a committee meeting.
Kube wathi isigcawu saqala luhlelo ngalokho kufanele sikhokhele lonke lolu hlelo.
They started the process. They should be funding the process. They should be helping the office to have the resources, and that letter was even written to the chairperson on the 1st of March, the speaker and the chairperson of the Justice Portfolio Committee. So it sounds as if it's just a coordinated process.
Uthi ufuna ukuqhubeka nokwethula ubufakazi kodwa bekhona abammeli bakhe ubhalele kusomlomo kanye nomengameli ukuba bangenelele.
I want to continue to present my case with the legal representation of my choice.
Yeah.
I haven't received a response. I have written now a letter yesterday to the speaker and to the president. I asked them to also intervene and to stop the proceedings.
Uthi okwamanje bengakayitholi impendulo.